and dear students of 12th Medical. And today in your botany, we are going to take up the importance of seed and fruit formation. Till now, we have been discussing the various events and processes that were linked with the sexual reproduction in the flowering plants, and then we have already discussed the seed and the fruit, which are the ultimate products of the sexual reproduction. Now, what is their significance and importance? That is to be discussed now. Seeds offer several advantages to angiosperms. Seeds are advantageous in many ways to the angiospermic plants. The reproductive processes like pollination and fertilization are independent of water. As you must be knowing that bryophytes and pteridophytes, they are completely dependent for water for their transmission of gametes, and here in angiosperms, water is not required for carrying either pollen or in some cases pollination. Water pollination is there. A few species get pollinated through water, but that is only for a minimum number of these plants which are pollinated through water. In general, this pollination and fertilization in seed plants, that is angiosperms, are independent of water, and seed formation is more dependable. A seed is dry, water content is 10 to 15%, with a dormant embryo and thick protective seed coat. It is most suitable for pollination through unfavorable periods. Seeds have better adaptive strategies for dispersal to new habitats and help the species to colonize in other areas. That means they are easily carried by air currents, birds, insects, and also by anthropogenic or human activities. They get dispersed to various different these areas, other areas, and form and get colonized there. And seeds have sufficient food reserves for nourishing the young seedling in the form of cotyledons that we have already discussed. They become nutritionally independent through and obtain their nutrition by the process of photosynthesis. Until then, the seeds are provided with the nourishment by cotyledons, which are carried by the seed. The hard seed coat provides protection to the young embryo. Seeds are the products of sexual reproduction. They generate new genetic combinations leading to variations. This is the result of the cross pollination, as pollen from far away species can pollinate the other plants living in very off places, and thus there is the intermixing of the characters. Seeds can be stored for later use. This is helpful for supply of food throughout the year and to overcome drought and famine conditions. A seed is the basis of our agriculture. Agriculture originated when humans learned to eat, store, and sow seeds. Now, the significance of fruit formation. First is the protection. Fruit development protects the developing seeds from mechanical injury, insects, and unfavorable climatic conditions. Dispersal. Fruits help seeds in dispersal to distant places. food to the animals. Fleshy fruits provide food to animals who also act as dispersal agents of their seeds. These fleshy fruits generally have hard seeds like guava, fig, and while hard shelled fruits have soft seeds as in case of almond. In nutrition to germinating seeds, some fruits provide nutrition to germinating seeds and developing seedlings. Importance to humans. Fruits are a source of food like protein, oil, organic acids, vitamins, minerals, and sugars are provided by the fruits. In fact, they being the natural sources of these important nutrients. Parthenocarpy is another term that you may come off with. That is the production and development of seedless fruits. Here fruits are produced without the process of fertilization. It is two types, as described by Westwood in 1993. First one is the vegetative parthenocarpy and the stimulative parthenocarpy. In vegetative, seedless fruits can develop without stimulus of pollination, and in stimulative parthenocarpy, the stimulus of the pollination is required without the actual process of pollination, fertilization, or seed setting, as in case of grapes. Thanks. Have a nice day.